Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Banai jing shakri khambha yaki patba ka Frank Motors haka arpu artrek unok pra hajar arpulai kala Plie patba ya ka Karkhana Shna kali nani ka service center ka jongka Laitkor Mawrie haka ni ka sngi Plie patba ugumit sing lolong kum ukongsan budairu zonal customer care manager Tata Motors haringkat urang ba dong ba iborji marbanyang secretary dong ba B kongsdam general secretary ba kitbok nong klang ba ki kattu kat ni kinong ket kam jo Shna
kajing dan jo kene ko workshop ru nganget kan wanra ya kajing yo kam yo jam je ki khana samla jangi kam tam ki khana samla ki branch ne ka than de mo kam tam chine Laitkor ki ko marjan ni le kat bala bangin pinyo kam ka jam ye ki khana samla ngakaman man pinti pia kini ka por ba na do bangi sen ya ka Frank Motors ira dan kumbashi spa ngot ki khana ki batre bani but 80% of them ki de ki khana samla rilom and bon ki de ki khana na chini ki than.
And we really proud to be that they are our channel partners, and the way they provide the service is good, and it is another milestone for our Tata Motors that we have in a new workshop. Tata Motors is changing now. If you see the old history of Tata Motors, our designs are getting changed, our reach is changing, so we need to spread ourselves now. So we need to reach to the customers. So when we reach to the customer, there we need footprints like service centers as well as the showrooms who are providing the services. And it is a long journey to go. It cannot change in one go. It will take some time. So what Madam has said is right, that you are giving an opportunity to youngsters to join our workshops. Basically, you guys are actually feeding their homes. People like us who always save some money, but these poor child doesn't save money. So you giving an opportunity to work them, and they become your brand ambassador. In fact, they want to associate it with Frank Auto for a longer term. Not only for this brand, maybe for some other brand also. So I sincerely respect you for this, that you are at least giving an opportunity, and you have such kind of a thought process for the young team, because India is getting young. So we need jobs, we need an opportunities also.